Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play School of Dragons. To begin your adventure, you will first create your unique Viking avatar and select your very first dragon companion. The game then guides you through essential tutorial quests, teaching you the fundamental mechanics. You will explore the vibrant School of Dragons campus, encountering many familiar faces from the movies. Your main goal is to become a skilled dragon trainer, nurturing your dragon and mastering various challenges. Caring for your dragon is crucial for success. Ensure you feed your dragon regularly to keep its health and happiness high. Engage in exciting flight and combat training exercises to boost its strength, speed, and firepower. Participate in thrilling races and various minigames to earn valuable experience points, helping your dragon level up quickly. You can also discover or purchase dragon eggs to hatch new, unique companions for your growing stable. The world of School of Dragons is vast and full of discovery. Venture out to explore numerous distinct islands and diverse environments, each offering new challenges. Accept engaging quests from non-player characters to earn valuable rewards and progress through the story. Remember to gather essential resources, such as fish for food and wood for crafting, to aid your journey. You can also join a clan or make friends to experience cooperative play. As you advance, personalize your Viking and dragon with a wide array of unique gear, outfits, and vibrant skins. Master different dragon classes, each possessing distinct abilities and combat styles, to diversify your team. Participate in exciting special events and seasonal challenges to earn exclusive, rare items and rewards. You can also build and decorate your very own farm, cultivating crops to provide fresh food for your beloved dragon companions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.